Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down practical tips to make your everyday life easier. Today, we're tackling a topic that's super relevant for many of you: how to send money from Italy to Pakistan. Whether you're supporting family back home, handling business transactions, or just sending a gift, I'll guide you through the process step by step. It's straightforward, but there are a few key things to keep in mind to avoid any hiccups. First off, why would you need to do this? Italy and Pakistan have strong ties through expatriates, so remittances are common. The good news is that with modern tech, sending money is faster than ever. But before you start, make sure you understand the basics. You'll need valid identification, like your Italian ID or passport, and the recipient's details in Pakistan, such as their bank account or a mobile wallet. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Compare your options. You can use traditional banks like UniCredit in Italy or international services like Western Union. For something quicker and often cheaper, go for online platforms like Wise, formerly TransferWise, or PayPal. These apps let you transfer money directly from your Italian bank account with competitive exchange rates. Step 2. Check the costs. Exchange rates fluctuate, so use a currency converter app to see the best time to send. Also, watch out for fees. Banks might charge more than digital services. For example, Wise often has lower fees and transparent pricing. Step 3. Gather the necessary info. Ensure the recipient has a valid Pakistani bank account, or they can use services like JazzCash or EasyPaysa for mobile transfers. Double-check everything to prevent delays. Once you're ready, log into your chosen service, enter the amount, provide the details, and confirm the transfer. It could take minutes to a few days, depending on the method. A few pro tips. Always use secure connections to protect your data, comply with anti-money laundering rules, and consider the current economic situation in Pakistan, like any restrictions on incoming funds. If you're unsure, consult a financial advisor. There you have it. That's how you can send money from Italy to Pakistan hassle-free. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.